Listen up, because statistics say a home break-in happens in the US every 26 seconds. You can knock on wood all you want, but a flimsy deadbolt from 1998 isn't going to stop a determined thief. Welcome back to Gadget Labs, where today we're looking at the most insane, over-the-top, and genuinely life-saving home security gadgets you can snag right now on Amazon. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Xandom Home. Look, cameras are cool, but they have massive blind spots. Xandom takes your home security from mall cop to absolute superhero levels. This isn't a traditional camera system. It's a web of radio waves that detects motion through walls and furniture. You basically get spider sense for your entire house. If someone steps foot inside, the whole grid lights up on your smartphone app, tracking their movements in real time. Good luck trying to hide from literal radio frequencies. But hey, if you do want a camera, you need the Butterfly. Most smart cameras go completely dead the second a burglar snips your power or Wi-Fi lines. Not this little guy. The Butterfly has a built-in battery and internal storage backup. If the power drops and the Wi-Fi cuts out, it keeps recording and uploads the evidence to the cloud the second it reconnects. It's the smart camera that literally refuses to quit. Now, let's pivot from stopping bad guys to getting you out of a sketchy situation fast. Coming in at number 3 is the Emergency Escape Tool. We're talking a high-grade tungsten steel glass breaker and seatbelt cutter that fits securely in the palm of your hand or perfectly on your nightstand. If things go sideways, like a house fire or a home invasion where your main exits are completely blocked, one quick forceful strike will shatter a reinforced window, getting you and your family out in seconds. All right, moving right along, let's talk about your front door. Newsflash, that flimsy chain lock you've been relying on is basically just a polite suggestion for a criminal not to enter. Enter the heavy-duty door brace. This isn't some cheap piece of plastic. You wedge this bad boy under your doorknob and the rubberized foot grips the floor like an NFL defensive lineman. It is engineered to withstand hundreds of pounds of brute force. Even if some massive dude tries to kick your door into the next dimension, this brace turns your entryway into a literal brick wall. It's perfect for your primary home, apartments, or even throwing in your suitcase for those sketchy Airbnb rentals. But hey, the absolute best way to survive a break-in is to stop it before it even happens, right? Most crooks are just opportunistic. They're looking for an easy, empty target. That's exactly where the fake TV burglar deterrent comes into play. This thing is incredibly simple but wildly effective. It's a small, standalone device packed with multicolored LEDs that automatically project a randomized flickering light onto your curtains or blinds. From the street, it looks exactly like a 60-inch flat screen playing a fast-paced action movie. While you're out grabbing dinner, the bad guys see the flicker, assume you're just inside binge-watching Netflix on the couch, and keep walking. It uses less power than a standard nightlight, but buys you serious peace of mind. Now let's dial the crazy up to an 11. What if you've got a big property? A standard doorbell camera isn't going to catch a guy sneaking through the tree line 100 yards out. For that, you need spotter surveillance radars. Yes, you heard me right, literal radar for your yard. These are compact, commercial-grade radar systems originally designed for high-end perimeter defense, and they track movement across huge open spaces. It doesn't matter if it's pitch black, heavily foggy, or pouring rain. If a trespasser crosses your property line, this system tracks their exact coordinates and speed, instantly queuing up your smart cameras to lock right onto them. You are straight up turning your backyard into Fort Knox. If the radar didn't scare them off, it's time to bring out the secret weapon that never needs a walk or a bowl of kibble, the barking dog alarm. Look, we all know a massive German shepherd is a burglar's worst nightmare, but not everyone wants the shed hair and the vet bills. This device uses electronic radar waves to see through walls, and the second it detects movement outside your door, it triggers a ferocious, looped recording of a very angry, very large dog. As the intruder gets closer, the barking gets more aggressive. It's a psychological play that works 9 out of 10 times, because no thief wants to gamble with a 90-pound canine behind a closed door. Next, let's talk about clarity. If you're going to catch a porch pirate, you need more than a blurry thumb of a face.
The Tapo C120 indoor-outdoor camera is basically the God mode of consumer security cams. It packs a 2K QHD resolution that makes standard 1080p look like a vintage VHS tape. But the real kicker? Starlight color night vision. Most cameras switch to that creepy black and white ghost hunting mode at night, but the C120 pulls in enough light to show you the color of a getaway driver's hoodie even in near total darkness. Plus, it has AI-powered person and pet detection, so your phone won't explode with notifications every time a squirrel runs past the window.
But sometimes high-tech isn't enough. You need physical reinforcement that actually looks good. That's where the Ornamental security door comes in. Forget those ugly rusted bars that make your house look like a precinct. Modern security doors are built from heavy-duty 16-gauge steel with intricate laser-cut designs that actually boost your curb appeal. They feature tamper-resistant hinges and specialized locks that are virtually impossible to jemmy open. You're getting maximum-level structural integrity without sacrificing the home sweet home vibe. It's the ultimate first line of defense that tells a criminal, keep moving, there's nothing for you here. We're in the home stretch, but don't let your guard down yet because these last three are the heavy hitters. If you're serious about protecting your valuables, we're talking passports, hardware wallets, or that emergency cash stack, you need the Barricade box. This isn't your average hide-a-key rock. It's a reinforced, heavy-gauge steel security locker designed to be bolted directly into the structural studs of your home. Most burglars want to be in and out in under 5 minutes. They aren't bringing a plasma cutter or a jackhammer. The Barricade box is essentially a time thief. It makes stealing your stuff so difficult and loud that most criminals will just give up and bolt before the cops show up. But what about your smart home's brain? If you're still using a standard deadbolt, you're living in the Stone Age. The Lockin Veno Plus is the Ferrari of smart locks. It features ultra-fast biometric fingerprint recognition. We're talking 0.3 seconds to unlock, so you're never fumbling with keys while carrying groceries or trying to get inside safely at night. It also has a built-in wide-angle camera and a localized alarm system. If someone tries to tamper with the lock or input the wrong code too many times, it snaps a photo of their face, sends it to your phone, and lets out a localized siren that'll wake up the entire neighborhood. It's sleek, it's secure, and it's basically a bouncer for your front door.
Finally, we have the Appbot Riley. Think of this as your personal roaming security guard. It's a small, tank-treaded robot equipped with a high-def camera and two-way audio. Unlike a stationary camera that a burglar can easily avoid, Riley can be controlled remotely from your phone from anywhere in the world. You can literally drive through your house to check on things, peek under tables, or investigate a noise in the kitchen. If Riley flips over, he has a self-righting feature to get back on his treads, and when the battery gets low, he docks himself back at the charging station. It's the ultimate way to have eyes on every single inch of your home, even when you're thousands of miles away. There you have it, 12 gadgets that turn your home from a target into a fortress. In today's world, good enough security just doesn't cut it anymore. All the links to these Amazon finds are down in the description below, so go ahead and level up your home defense before you actually need it. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Gadget Labs for more deep dives into the tech that keeps you safe and your life efficient. Drop a comment below and let me know, which of these gadgets would make you feel the safest? Are you going for the barking dog or the literal perimeter radar? Let's talk about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.